Happy day, children. Today we are going to see chapter 4, carbon and its compound. In last session we have seen about how covalent bonding in carbon occurs. What is the reason? So today we are going to see about versatile nature of carbon. The two important properties, that is catenation and tetrahedral. The unique, that is the nature of carbon that has many important applications. For example, if you take the catenation, what is catenation? It is the property, it is the ability to form the large number of compounds. Already we know that carbon, it has 4 valence electrons, so it will mutually share it with the other carbon atoms and it will form a large number of compounds. So that compounds, either it can be a long chain of carbon or a branched chain of carbon, or the carbon atoms arranged in the form of ring, or it is linked by single, double or triple bonds. So it is a single bond, this is a double bond, and this is a triple bond. So that property is called as catenation. So what is catenation? It is the unique ability to form bonds, because carbon has four valence electrons, right? 4 outermost electrons. It can ability to form with 4 other carbon atoms. So that is called as catenation. The second property is tetravalent. What is tetravalent? We know that it has 4 electrons. It can able to mutually share its electrons with 4 other atoms of carbon or any monovalent element like oxygen, like hydrogen or nitrogen, chlorine. So it will give rise to the compound. That particular compound will have the properties depending upon the element present in the compound. Suppose if alcohol group is present, that particular compound will have the specific property of alcohol. If ketone is present, that will have the specific property of the ketone group. Suppose if an acid is present, so that particular compound will have the specific properties of acid. And the bonds formed between carbon-carbon, covalent bond, the bond between them are very strong bonds because of its small size. So it enables the nucleus to hold the shared pair of electrons tightly. So the bond formed between carbon-carbon is very strong. So the carbon, if it shares electrons with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. If it with hydrogen, or it can share its electrons with nitrogen, or it can share its electron with chlorine. So these are the different two. What are the main two different properties? Catenation and tetravalent, and the bond between carbon-carbon is very strong. Next we are going to see homologous series. What is homologous series? That is the series of carbon compounds, okay, in which the same functional group will substitute the hydrogen atom. For example, if you see, this is the alkane series, okay, here CH4, okay. Next, if you see ethane, then propane. If you see, if you compare these 3 properties, if you compare these 3 elements, or if you compare these 3 compounds, what is there? If you see here, 1 carbon is there, here 2 carbon is there, here 3 carbon is there, right? So it will have the similar chemical properties because due to the addition of the same kind of functional group. If alcohol group means fully it will be the alcohol group. Okay, so these compounds differ by CH2 group. If you compare this, it differs by the unit CH group. Okay, so that is called as homologous series. For example, if you take for alkenes, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, like that it will go on. Only it will differ by CH2. If you see here 2 carbon here, so it will differ by 1 CH2 group. Homologous series of alkynes means triple bond. Triple bond means ethyne, propane, 1 ine. So like that it will go on. Suppose if you take for alcohol group, it is methanol, then ethanol, propanol. If you compare these 3 compounds, you can see CH2 group differs only in between the series of alcohol series. It differs by CH2 unit. So if you calculate the molecular mass of this compound, molecular mass of a compound, when it increases, automatically the melting point, boiling point, solubility in a particular solvent will increase. So already I have told you chemical properties of the compound is determined by the functional group present in it. So in this the functional group is alcohol. So alcohol determines the chemical properties of the homologous series.